Happy Saturday, traders. I got NFLX daily chart. We got earnings on October 17th. That is this coming week. We have a big, strong rally here. I'm going to go over. They're expecting an 8% move either up or down, calls and puts. I once again will tell you that we are looking to hedge our bets now. We're looking at the 675 put just in case it tanks. On the call side, what we're looking at, we can take a look at it. On the call side, we're looking at the 720 calls on the call side. That's what we're looking at. Okay, they report. They can change between now and then. We're doing an earnings preview on the call and put strategy on earnings bellwether NFLX. This is the daily chart. We had a 3-day upside. They sold on Friday. We like buying them cheap. This is the consolidation where we could see a drop and where we could buy. Or we have another consolidation at around 681. But our buy target on earnings is 675. If they drop it to that moving average, and there's going to be 100% volatility, believe me, I think you should sign up for the free 5-day trial. And if you own NFLX or want to buy NFLX, I will help you. I'm here to help you.